Hey guys, this is Rachel from Inspire Purpose, and I'm going to go through the Squarespace 7.1, just the basics, getting around the website and just kind of, going through it, the pages, the sections, the panels, everything for you so that you can get started and do your own website as well. I do have a course on it, Inspired Marketing Bootcamp, just so that you can have that opportunity to build your own Squarespace website and move forward. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, I hope you liked that video and I hope that it gets you to the next level. Now, if you need any help, of course, give me a call, but your homepage and your website is your first impression. So making it stand out is really important for your business. Just like anything, the first impression is critical to any business. It's what they see, and as soon as they get on there, if they don't like what they see, then they're probably going to get off. So if you do need help with this, we do have packages where we can absolutely do your website for you. We would love to, and we have different options for you that are very good price, and we have a huge discount. But I also have a workbook, a free workbook where it talks about the website, the total website and business launch, and I will link it below. But it goes through everything that you absolutely need in marketing and on your website, and pretty much whatever you need to start your business and launch your business. So get your free workbook. I will put it again, I will link it below. And if you did enjoy this video, please like or subscribe, and thank you so much for helping out small businesses. And as always, be inspired, inspire others, and find your purpose. All right, bye.